SlowCast English, Episode 19, Weekend Plans.
What are your plans this weekend?
I want to go to the park.
With friends?
Yes, 2 friends.
What will you do?
Walk and take photos.
Sounds fun.
What about you?
I will stay home.
Just rest?
Yes, and watch movies.
That's nice too.
Weekends are for relaxing.
I agree.
Enjoy your weekend. Introduction to this podcast. Weekend Plans Conversation. Kevin and Olivia discuss their weekend plans. Olivia plans to visit the park with 2 friends, to walk and take photos, while Kevin intends to stay home, rest, and watch movies. They agree that weekends are for relaxing and wish each other an enjoyable weekend.